creamy garlic chicken breasts, you absolutely need to make these. Start by seasoning your chicken breasts on both sides with garlic powder and salt and pepper before adding it to a pan with sizzling avocado oil. Flip them over, and then once they're golden brown, set them to the side. Turn down the heat, add in a tablespoon of butter and half an onion diced up. Let them get beautiful and caramelized before adding 5 to 6 cloves of minced garlic. Let them get fragrant. You're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of heavy milk or heavy cream. Mix it up before adding half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Let it get melty, and then you're going to taste it. Add more salt, add more garlic powder, let it thicken up, let it simmer, base on that delicious sauce. Oh my goodness, guys, if you make any of my recipes, please make this. It is so good.